Throw it out there again.
Go get it. Look, look, there it is. See? She got on the string. Thinks she's chewing it. You know, you can't see it. She doesn't know what to do with it.
Wait, stop. Make it stop, and then do it real fast.
Well, that's what I'm gonna do this time. Just gonna let her go up to it, and I'll reel it in as fast as it'll go. Oops.
Next time, do it like stop it, and then do it really slowly. I mean, like bob it.
The string touches it, freaks her out.
Stop! That's not funny. Yeah, jerk it. Wait, stop. Jerk it.
A fisheranium.
Don't hit her. Here she goes. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. Over there.
Go get it.
Wait, stop it and then bob it. Wait, stop it.
She has no idea. Go get it. Go get it. Man, it feels good out here, doesn't it? It's so pretty in the sunshine.
Yeah, it's
It's like awesome bike ride. You want to go ride for a while? Like 30 minutes, maybe an hour?
Oh, I got a friend coming over.
Yeah, but not till 6.
Yeah, I cleaned it up.
Dad,
stop